That's 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. Placing the seatbelt buckle. And first time dealing with this. There's no write-ups, no DIYs, no nothing. I had to reconnect this. Looks like it would just plug right in, but it doesn't. What you need to do is push down this little orange tab right here till it just clicks, just moves, and then you can insert it. Do my best to try to photograph this. Click. Make sure these two tabs are facing towards the front of the car. There's like a little slide down. You push it till it's almost in. Then use a little pick. Click back over. And then it'll go back down, fully lock into place. The first time I tried doing this, it fought me for 2 hours. Like I said, no write-ups, nothing. I had to reconnect this. So, figured show this trial and error from my part. Thanks.